Welcome to the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast, your weekly gateway to the latest news and development shaping Namibia's dynamic oil and gas sector. It's Friday, 20th March 2026, and I am Taniel Mokoses with the latest news, updates, and insights from the Namibia oil and gas industry. This week's top headlines. Chevron appoints Ndapewoshali Shapwanale as Deputy Country Manager. Tower Resources secures £1.5 million as Namibia Farm-Out Progresses. Pancontinental secures PEL 87 extension to 2027. Nasan Energies Approved to acquire 52 service stations.
Namibia's oil and gas industry is evolving. Are you ready to lead the way? RD Namibia Energy Consultancy is your trusted partner in natural resources media management, data analytics, and stakeholder engagement. We're building a first-of-its-kind resource hub, shaping the future with cutting-edge digital assets. Whether you're a local enterprise or an international investor, now is the time to connect. Partner with RD and navigate Namibia's energy sector with confidence. Visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com today.
Chevron has appointed Ndapewoshali Shapwanale as Deputy Country Manager, marking a significant milestone for local representation in Namibia's oil and gas sector. She becomes the first female Namibian to hold the role, highlighting the company's commitment to developing local talent and strengthening inclusive leadership within its operations. Shapwanale brings a diverse professional background spanning journalism, corporate affairs, and energy sector leadership. Having previously served at Recon Africa, she joined Chevron in 2025 and has since advanced through key roles focused on local content and stakeholder engagement. In her new position, she is expected to play a central role in driving local participation and ensuring Namibia derives meaningful value from ongoing energy development. Tower Resources raised £1.5 million through a shared subscription as it continues to advance its farm-out strategy in Namibia. The company issued approximately 6.3 billion new shares, with proceeds largely directed towards repaying a £1 million bridge loan, while the remaining funds will support general working capital as it prepares for the next phase of exploration. The company also confirmed progress on its proposed farm out of a 25% interest in PEL 96 to Prime Global Energies. Engagement with regulators including NAMCO in the Ministry of Industry, Mines and Energy indicates that approvals are being expedited, with the license now in its renewal period. Tower Resources is positioning itself to move forward with exploration once regulatory processes are finalized. Pancontinental Energy has secured a 12-month extension for Petroleum Exploration License 87, allowing the company to continue its exploration efforts offshore Namibia through January 2027. The extension granted by the Ministry of Industries, Mines and Energy ensures continuity as the company works to advance the license towards drilling. As part of the extension conditions, Pancontinental will complete key technical work including environmental impact assessment, seismic data reprocessing, and the drilling of an exploration well. The company has indicated that these activities are already underway, with progress on environmental studies and technical analysis aimed at refining exploration targets and reducing geological risk. Nasan Energies has received approval to acquire 52 fuel service stations from Vivo Energy Namibia, marking a major shift in Namibia's downstream fuel market. The deal follows extensive review process led by the Namibia Competition Commission and reflects growing support for increased local ownership within the sector. The acquisition positions Nasan Energy as one of the country's largest fuel retailers and a leading locally owned operator in the market historically dominated by international players. The company plans to begin rebranding and integration across its network with a strong focus on empowering local suppliers and strengthening participation in Namibian businesses in the fuel value chain. Thank you for listening to this week's episode of the Namibia Oil and Gas podcast. If you would like to contribute with news and information, please contact us at info@namibiaoilandgas.com. For more news, information, resources, and updates of the week, visit www.namibiaoilandgas.com. Join us next time as we continue to explore the top stories driving Namibia's energy future.